Once upon a time in Fort Lauderdale, there lived a dedicated child of God named Grace. With a heart full of faith and a passion for helping others, Grace started her own online reselling business. Her store, known as Heavenly Deals, aimed to provide affordable items to those in need, while spreading positivity through her business practices. In the beginning, Grace's venture flourished. Customers appreciated her commitment to honesty, fair pricing, and exceptional customer service. However, as the demands of managing a business grew, Grace found herself burning the candle at both ends. Juggling the responsibilities of her reselling business, personal life, and spiritual commitments became overwhelming. One day, after a particularly challenging period, Grace felt the weight of burnout settling in. The joy she once found in reselling was replaced by stress and exhaustion. Feeling disheartened, she decided to take a step back, reflect, and seek guidance from her faith. During this hiatus, Grace found solace in prayer and meditation. She realized that her burnout was a signal to reevaluate her priorities and seek a more balanced approach to her reselling business. With renewed strength from her spiritual connection, Grace decided to re-enter the reselling world with a fresh perspective. In her comeback journey, Grace incorporated self-care practices into her routine, setting boundaries to prevent burnout. She also embraced the support of her community, both online and offline, turning to fellow resellers and friends from her church for encouragement. As Grace resumed her reselling activities, she focused on rediscovering the joy that initially fueled her business. She introduced new products that resonated with her values and actively engaged with her customers. Turning Heavenly Deals into more than just a store, it became a community of like-minded individuals. Grace's comeback story became an inspiration not only to resellers but to everyone facing challenges in their pursuits. Her journey taught her the importance of aligning her reselling business with her spiritual values, finding balance, and relying on the support of her faith and community. And so, Grace continued to navigate the world of reselling, not just as a business owner but as a child of God, spreading positivity and joy through her heavenly deals.